welcome back to the Fabulous 95, and today we are going to be taking a review of, actually, one of my most favorite series that Mattel has ever decided to make, the NASCAR Lightning McQueen, from the NASCAR and Disney Pixar Cars kind of merged series. Now, I know I'm really late on these. I just found them this McQueen recently. I'm trying to get all the rest of them because, well, it's pretty obvious. Well, it's not really obvious. If you know me in real life, you'll know that I am a big NASCAR fan, and yeah, that's my favorite driver. But anyway, I'm trying to get as many of these as I can. When I first saw them, I loved it. Unlike other people, when they said that they're going to give these things the new rims that the next-gen cars have, I was actually excited because it's cool that they're integrating all this NASCAR stuff into these movies, because this is how I got started watching NASCAR. So on the back, you got Jackson Storm, which his paint scheme is interesting. The Mater and Luigi and Guido are kind of cool, and the McQueen. Now, each of these cars will come with a pit stop barrier, which I find is good, because now for Smash Bros. Saga, I can be a slight more accurate if I make like a over the wall too soon, like little penalty. But anyway, I will get this guy unboxed. Now, let's get into the review of this car. Now, I'm going to bring down my Christopher Bell diecast, which, speaking of which, the race is going on as I'm speaking, as this videos came out, because I definitely did not record this before the race. Well, I did, but a few hours before. So, go watch the race. Christopher Bell will be running that ream scheme, so it'll be great. Anyway, I'm going to talk about all the details that they got correct. Around the gas can, they put a green circle, which the normal NASCAR stock cars have, as you can see back here. And the placement of where they put the gas, opening, I can't think of words today, is spot on, because there's only one track on the schedule that I believe they pit on. The pit stalls are on the right side of the car instead of the left, which they did a really good job. Anyway, also they put the roof, window net on the right side and left side. I'm not, they could have only put it on one side, but, you know, it doesn't matter because they're trying, which is nice. Now, they've got the Rusty's logo, as you can tell, is definitely different, and for Vietnam, I have realized that this McQueen is very similar to the beginning of Cars 1 McQueen. No, the beginning of Cars 3 McQueen, my bad. But anyway, also you realize that on this McQueen, the lightning bolt is more, it's not as prominent. The checkered flag decal on McQueen is cool. This is a Vietnam variant, as you can tell because of how foggy the decals are. But they have a Piston Cup logo, the 7-time champion logo, and Disney Cars have been predicting the future of NASCAR forever, because as you can see, the numbers are slightly more forward on the doors, and the next gen cars are going to have them up here where the 7-time Piston Cup champion number is. So they have been really good at all of this. McQueen's number is white instead of his normal yellow gradient of red and yellow, and his spoiler is black with the red outline. But anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Leave a comment. Let me know. My comments will actually be turned off probably because YouTube just hates me. But anyway, I will see you guys in the next video, which I'm sorry I've not been uploading more. It's just stuff has happened and I am trying my dang best. But I think I finally figured out a way I can do this. And yeah, see you guys next time.